This poem needs a very short introduction. I remembered a time when I was teaching a Year 4 class, I think it was. There was a girl in that class called Eleanor Watson. We'd been looking at the war poetry of Wilfred Owen, and she wrote a poem with an amazing level of imagination. But she just imagined herself as a young wife standing in the doorway crying as she watched soldiers march away down the street in the rain, and they were off to get on the train to go to the World War I battlefield. That was basically what triggered this idea for this poem. Tears and laughter. She stood in the shadow when they marched away. She waved and smiled and prayed for the day when he'd return, and he would say he was back and he could stay. 6 years have passed. Now here she stands, with handbag and handkerchief clasped in her hands. The train is approaching, all the carriages are scanned. They see each other and understand that the war is over, victory is theirs, but none of that matters, neither of them cares. There will be time to remember and time for prayer, but now, at this moment, it's tears and laughter they share.